Business Technology course of ACCA is one of the most interesting subject of our ACCA qualification. And I always say to my students that don't just study this subject to pass your exam. Rather, every class of this subject will have an impact on your actual life. It is a very interesting course which includes combination of topics from human resource management, economics and organization structure and strategy. It is one of the course which teach the accountants to become good leaders, to become good entrepreneurs and to become good managers. And my business technology course is such an interesting course that every class you will take, you will feel a difference in your life. If I introduce myself, I am Owais Mirchawala, Faculty and Director at Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy. I have been teaching this course of business technology for more than 15 years and I have taught thousands of students of this subject. 90 plus scores secured by my students is just a normal thing. There are many students who secure good marks and you can explore that on this page of website also. My online classes are not just a bunch of few pre-recorded lectures. Rather, it's a detailed course coverage which include coverage of all topics along with practical example, coverage of the study text provided by the ACCA, coverage of all the practice material, the kits of all the writers, the practice material of ACCA, everything is included in my course package. Along with this, I also conduct regular testing of my students in which I conduct tests after every chapter and the students get a feedback instantly on those tests since business technology is an objective-based paper. Our learning management system is one of the best LMS throughout the globe which gives the student a course in a very well structured manner. Our testing system replicates the actual exam structure of the ACCA so that the students can understand the actual exam structure from the very first day. And this is the reason why not only in business technology, Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy has a league of position holders in all the subjects. We have more than 160 nationwide position holders who have gained positions from Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy in all of the subjects of ACCA. So you will be joining our top courses and you will be studying from our star faculty. So if you also want to pass your examination in first attempt, do join my course. You can explore the website, you can watch my demo lectures, you can look at my testimonial videos, and if you want to enroll, you can enroll through the website also. If you have any query, you can always connect with me on my direct WhatsApp number, and I hope to see you all in my business technology batch, and I wish you all the best for your ACCA qualification. Thank you everyone.